What's going on, YouTube? In this video, I'll be showing you how I made $500 in just 24 hours on Whatnot. And if you can, as you can see here, we did a morning stream, an afternoon stream, and a night stream. We made $242 in the end stream. Middle stream, we made about 200 even, and then another 50 right there to make that $500. So first things first, make sure you have plenty of inventory in whatever you're selling. You guys know me. I usually sell trading cards, specifically Pokemon cards. A lot of other people may sell some different things. You may sell clothes, you may sell shoes, you may sell makeup. The list goes on and on of what you can sell and whatnot, but make sure you have plenty of inventory. You're going to need it to do this. And of course, sell all that you have. So if you have all your inventory, don't be afraid to show all of it. Keep going, keep going. Now, if there's specific things you want to keep, make sure you have that to the side, out of the camera's lens, and don't even mention it in your streams. Number 2, start everything at $1. I know this is very kind of just, and a lot of people don't want to do it, right? You may have things, hey, this goes for $5, this goes for 10. Trust me, I have literally auctioned off PSA graded cards starting at $1 and had it go to literally 40 to 50 bucks. Do not be afraid to start things at $1. This is going to get you more sales, and it's going to save time, right? You're going to save a lot of time because you can just keep going through the list of things you're doing, whatever products you're selling, and you can just keep selling those. And sometimes they might surprise you. You may have something that you thought was only going to sell for $2 max, sell for $7. I've had it happen, and people are very happy with their products. I have stellar reviews, and it's always worked out great as far as my trading cards and stuff like that go. But that, again, that goes with anything you might be selling. On our number one list here, or our number one, go live more to make this $500. To make this $500, as you see that I just did in a day, you've got to go live more than once. As you can see here, I'm setting up a live show. And if you want to know more on that, I have more videos on my channel, guys. Please check them out. But this is how you set up a live show. You've got to go live more than once. As I did to make the $500, I went live, what was that? Almost 5 or 3 times. So, and I've gone live 4 times in a day. So you've got to go live more than once. And then, of course, after I go live in those lives, I usually set up and get everything packaged up and ready to go and print off my labels and stuff like that. And I have videos on that, guys, if you want to see that as well. The ending here, guys, if you're wondering how to start selling, you don't have a Whatnot account, please feel free to use my seller account here. I haven't. All you have to do is go to the description of my videos, as you can see here, of how I sell trading cards on Whatnot. Click on the link right here of Whatnot invite seller, and it will bring you to a screen like this, and then you can just click start selling. Go ahead and start selling, guys, on Whatnot. Hope you enjoy the video. Remember to like and subscribe.